Hello, student. Welcome to Metabolic Sciences. It's the diagram representing the sequences and relationship of enzyme catalyzed reactions in metabolism. It typically consists of the names and structure of metabolites connected by arrows representing enzyme catalyzed reactions. There are several metabolic pathways. The main metabolic pathways are the ones that generate or release energy for the cells of the body. Different metabolic pathways function in the position within a eukaryotic cell and the significance of the pathways in the given compartment of the cell. For example, the electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation all take place in the mitochondrial membrane. In contrast, glycolysis, pentose phosphate pathway, and fatty acid biosynthesis all occur in the cytosol of a cell. There are two types of metabolic pathways. The synthesis of molecule with the utilization of energy is called anabolic pathway, and breakdowning the complex molecules and release the energy is the process of catabolic pathway. In addition to the two distinct metabolic pathways is the amphibolic pathway, which can be either catabolic or anabolic based on the availability of energy or need for it. This includes glycolysis, glucogenesis, the Krebs cycles, fatty acid synthesis, glycogenesis, the pentose phosphate pathway, the electron transport chain, and Krebs cycle. Metabolic pathways are very important to the living organism that is carrying them out. The metabolic pathways are used to produce the energy, materials, and substances that are needed by the cells and the body. In biochemistry, a metabolic pathway is a linked series of the chemical reaction occurring within a cell. The reactants, products, and intermediates of an enzyme reactions are known as metabolites, which are modified by the sequence of chemical reactions catalyzed by enzymes. So, these pathways are required for the maintenance of the homeostasis within an organism, and the flux of the metabolites through a pathway is regulated by depending on the needs of the cell and the availability of the substrate. The end product of the pathway may be used immediately or initiate another metabolic pathway or be stored for later use. We'll discuss these pathways in detail gradually one by one. So stay tuned with us.